What's going on? Here's a little update on the E46. Sam did some work to it, and again, just some little minor modifications that don't cost a lot of money. You can make it look pretty good. So Sam found these wheels. These are real BMW M Sport wheels. I can't remember the style. Do you remember, Sam? Is it 162? Okay, I think they're 162s. We found them on, the used car market for $400. We ended up paying $300, and they have decent tires on it for at least 2 more seasons. So that was an easy thing. I ordered in the States before I came the clear lights for the front. Did we order the clear lights from the front in the States, or did we order them here? Okay, we ordered those here from, I think, where did we get them from? Do you remember? Where? Throdo, okay. And then I brought from the States these, which they were super cheap. I think they were like $30 or something like that. And I got the M Sport look just for, whatever. So black chrome, because there was no chrome on this car anywhere. It's just like all black trim. So I think it looks way better with that. The BMW emblem was crap, so we put a new one on it. Again, I think that was probably the most expensive part that we bought, other than maybe the rear lights. It was like $30. So, maybe $800. We put wheels on it, a few great little additions that make it look way more sporty, and lose the amber lights, which nobody likes really. So the clear, Sam picked out the gray smoked side markers, which I don't know if they have those in America, but we changed them because they were amber. We ordered these. This was like $6 on Amazon. And then the biggest addition was those rear lights. Those rear lights just look terrible on the European models. So that amber in the top. Now, I will say this was probably the hardest part of the project. When you're ordering the lights for these, make sure they're the ones for it, because we ordered these and then we ended up having to change the whole inside mechanism that holds all the bulbs. So we had to rewire the whole back of this car just to get these lights to work in this car. And I'm sure there's a much easier way, or there's probably a pigtail that you can buy that adapts it. But, some cheap modifications. It looks really good. It's summertime now. So the kids are out cruising around downtown. There's a bunch of BMWs here in this town. So it definitely looks better. It's not as embarrassing of just a basic stock BMW. And now it's got a little pizzazz to it, and it looks good. I mean, we could go crazy with it and lower it, but, it's a 316. So it's not like we're going to be out racing it or doing anything crazy. So we just put the nicer looking wheels on it. It ain't going to make it. It's definitely not going to make it any faster. But it looks good when you're cruising down the road, and that's probably the main point. So we appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for Sam's new car. And Sophia, they're going to probably get some new cars out here in Finland. We'll see what they get next. Something with a little more power, maybe. Thanks for watching. Later.